Basil is native to Southeast Asia, though its exact origin is somewhat debated since its history of cultivation dates back approximately 5,000 years. Many believe that it originated in either India or Asia and spread to the Mediterranean via ancient spice routes. However, some experts now think it might originally have come from Iran. Thai basil is the fun, exotic cousin of the popular sweet basil everyone has come to know and love in the West. Thai basil has a more robust flavor with a spicy kick of licorice and anise than sweet basil, which has a minty and peppery taste. The plant also has a striking look due to its purple stem and flower buds, which sometimes continue to spill out on its narrow leaves. Basil companion planting will help asparagus, beets, beans, cabbage, chili, and bell peppers, eggplants, marigolds, oregano, potatoes, and tomatoes. Basil does well with just about any garden crop. Mindful that basil does better with moist, nutrient-dense soil, so plants that like drier soil like thyme or sage may offset the growth of the other due to requirements. Because Thai basil seeds can be added to drinks, many have found that drinking them can also cure many ailments like fever, dry, cough, and colds. Adding it to smoothies or juices can aid in weight loss and promote better digestion as well. Research shows that Thai basil is high in antioxidants, anti-cancer, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, which is why it has been used in traditional healing since centuries ago. Aside from ingesting Thai basil, you can also bruise the leaves and inhale its aroma to relieve stress. If you want to take the extra step, you can even turn it into a balm so you can rub it around your forehead, temples, and below your eyes to promote relaxation.